Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on your Hisense TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect some sort of Bluetooth device, maybe like some Bluetooth headphones. How do you actually go ahead and turn on Bluetooth on your Hisense TV? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first go into our quick settings. Then click on all settings in the upper right hand corner. And then from here, scroll down to where it says remotes and accessories. And then this is where you're going to be able to toggle your Bluetooth on or off. So simply toggle this on and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on Bluetooth on your Hisense TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.